Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing the top 5 reasons you should buy the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Let's get into it. Now, by no means is this phone perfect, but if you want to buy this device, these are the 5 reasons that will make you want to get it. Starting off with the first one, it's going to be really the one that not all people are going to care about. And that is going to be the optional S Pen, which is a really cool feature in my opinion. I love the ability to add an S Pen if I want it, or if I don't, it's fine. Especially if you have a Galaxy Tab S7 or any other tablet that had an S Pen, you can use that pen on this phone. So that's really a nice feature to have. Combined with that though is going to be the other feature that not everyone might use, and that is the optical zoom. This has a 10 times optical zoom, which is really crazy. It is the best zoom we've seen on a smartphone in the US, and that's really just awesome because I know although we're not traveling right now, trust me, optical zoom is something you always want when you travel. And if you plan to go all out on 2022 traveling, this is going to be the phone you want to have while doing it. So trust me, when you travel, zoom is really important, and 10 times optical zoom is really impressive. We'll do lots of videos on it. The next one's going to be more of a future-proofing tip, and that is the S21 Ultra has 2 future-proofing technologies. That is UWB tracking. This is a sensor that really allows you to find things. It's going to be more implemented in more and more products moving forward. And this is just a way to be able to find things just by pointing your phone towards it and seeing how close it is to you. It's a different type of technology. It's not in older smartphones, and it's again more of a future-proof. So along with that, you have Wi-Fi 6E, the latest and greatest in terms of Wi-Fi. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. Most homes don't have Wi-Fi 6 right now, but this is the evolution of it, Wi-Fi 6E. So if you want to have the best Wi-Fi ready for the next 4 or 5 years, this is the one to get. Okay, now the following 3 features are actually on all S21 series. So if you're thinking about the regular or the plus, this will work out for you too. So the first one is going to be 4K recording on all 3 lenses. This is an amazing feature that I've been waiting for a long time. 4K at 60 frames per second is by far the best way to shoot video with this phone. That being said, you can now move between all 3 cameras and shoot at that frame rate. You couldn't do that on the Note, the S20 from last year. None of them could do it, but these phones can. These are the first ones that can do it from Samsung, and I believe it's the first Android that can really do it, if not one of the first for sure. So this is a really great feature to be able to switch between all 3 while filming and having a great quality. Director's view. This has been a improved ask that everyone's been asking for the past 4 years, and that is the ability to shoot with multiple cameras at the same time. Specifically though, this one's going to allow you to shoot with the selfie shooter and all 3 rear shooters at the same time. That is a really cool feature. The ability to actually shoot front and rear camera is essential to bloggers. This was one of the best features that Samsung introduced back all the way with the S4, and then they got rid of it. We didn't have it for years. Now it's finally back, and it's even improved. So this is one you should definitely get just for this reason alone. If you are a vlogger, this is one of the best phones to do it. LG is one of the only other manufacturers to do it. So if you do want vlogging with front and rear recording, this is the way to go. And then lastly, the #1 reason to get it, most photos are shot either inside or at night. And this is going to be the best way to shoot photos in low light. This phone has really improved when it comes to low light quality dramatically from year to year. So if you do want to be able to shoot better low light in terms of photo and video quality, the S21 series has improved a lot. The Ultra will be the best out of these 3, but trust me, this one is one of the best features to upgrade. If you want better low light photo taking, this is going to be the one to get. So those are my top 5 reasons to buy. Let me know if you're interested at all in buying either of these. And if you want to check out how they compare to each other, make sure to check out our spec comparison video as well. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.